The Meghalaya Board of School Education, Mbose, on Friday organized an orientation-cum meeting on the piloting of the Holistic Progress Card or HPC for the secondary level at its regional office in Shillong under the Ministry of Education's Parak framework to facilitate the implementation of competency-based assessment in line with the National Education Policy 2020. The program was chaired by M. Marbanyang, the director of Mbose Regional Office Shillong, while Executive Chairman D.D. Sangma delivered the welcome address. Dr. E.J.E. Shongwan, Chief Academic Officer Mbose, presented the HPC framework, highlighting the shift from rote learning to competency-based assessment focused on skills, experiential learning and holistic development. Officials said the pilot will help identify implementation challenges and refine the framework before its statewide rollout across all 12 districts and 40 to 50% of CNRD blocks. The day-long program included technical sessions by Parak state resource persons, discussions on implementation timelines, monitoring mechanisms and stakeholder feedback, followed by the distribution of Holistic Progress Card booklets.
Moving towards a different model. It's no longer just imparting knowledge, it is imparting competency-based education as well as assessments. It is not just knowledge but side-by-side assessments as well. It may seem impossible, but the more you learn about it, you will understand why it is mastery over time. A student, like previously, when we teach, in a 45 minutes class, whatever we impart education to a child, within that 45 minutes, there is no way of us seeing, or we don't have time to really to ask them, have you learned? What is it that you face difficulty? I will guide you personally. Say maths with philosophy, can choose biology with education. A child can choose the subject that he wants to study. And language access, the NEP, it promotes mother tongue or local languages. And everything is holistic. It has to be holistic. Holistic meaning all round. All round. Okay? So we have to achieve in order to reach that medium that we will also be number one and sharing the stage with all the countries, developed countries in the world. So I would say there are many things which the government, the Ministry of Education